Right, I'm going to start incorporating the first third of butter. Let's take our bowl. My dough now looks relaxed, elastic, and we are ready. Okay, so I'm going to make something nice and flat, like a pizza. Piece of dough on the table, palm of your hand on top. Beautiful. First third of butter goes on top, and I'm going to close it like a Cornish pasty. And then I'm ready to start the kneading. I'm going to knead my dough with the butter for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add the second part, keep kneading, and then I'm going to add the last part. During the process, you're going to see it's going to be messy, sticky. Your dough is going to start breaking again. Don't panic. It's going to happen at some point. What depends is how much effort or how much energy you put in the kneading. If you go slowly, probably it's going to take about 20 minutes, 25. But if you go as fast as you can, probably you're going to have a brioche ready in about 5 to 10 minutes, okay? So I have my first third inside, heel off my hand on top, and I'm going to start stretching my dough and roll it back. Same technique as I used before. And here we are, look. The butter doesn't want to be here, but we insist. Again, I'm just using not only my arm, it's just also my full body is pressuring on top of my dough. Can we all see? It's breaking, looks ugly. Maybe at this point you think, oh, Victoria, we need to start again. No, just insist. Keep kneading, keep kneading. Fantastic, messy. I'm just using one hand. You don't need a scraper now. Once you cannot see any big lumps of butter, you are ready to add the second third. And it doesn't matter if it looks like this. I know it's sticky, but we are ready for the second part. Heel of your hand only. At this point, I will say it's quite dangerous to use your palm because we don't want to melt the butter. We try to keep it as cold as possible during the kneading, so that's why only the heel. And this is getting worse, but I cannot see more lumps, so I'm ready for the last one. On top,